Hey guys, it's Ryan with LogoClothz here, and this is the account walkthrough. So once you've registered an account with us or you've made a purchase, then this is what the screen that you're going to land on when you first log into your account. So I'm going to give you a walkthrough now on what you can do within this account. First of all, you can view any prior orders that you've made. That's your default screen. You're going to see all your orders here. And if you want to dig into an order, you just need to hover over this link just here, and this is going to take you to that particular order. On the screen that you next land on, you're going to be able to view that order just here on the left side of the screen. Okay, well, that's going to be the first vertical if you're on a mobile. And your order details are here on the right-hand side of the screen, along with a print invoice button. If you want to reprint your invoice, you can do it right here. Just click that button. And we've got your ship to, bill to, shipping details. Any prior tracking number that was on that order will sit here. This is just a default dummy one that we're using. You can also reorder directly under your Actions tab, or you can send a return notice to us as well, and we'll go through that in a moment. Okay, so next tab along, moving to the right, is returns. If you have an issue with a product that you've received, the easiest thing to do is pick up the phone, give us a call, and send us a picture of it, and we'll jump straight on it and get it corrected for you. If you want to return it through the website, then that's possible as well. You would go back to the order screen, and you would click on return. Just here, return items, and that's going to take you back to the returns page. Once you're on the returns page, it's going to show you exactly what it is you're returning, so make sure it's the correct product. You can give us the reason for the problem, the action that you would like us to take, and give us as many comments as possible. Submit your return request, and someone with customer service will be back to you very, very quickly. So next, moving along, we go to messages. Any messages that have come between us, and for example, these are just test messages that we've been sending, but any of those will come through here in this panel. You can also message us directly here, and it will automatically populate with the actual order number. Send your message. Again, customer service will be back to you very quickly. Okay, addresses. These are your stored addresses on your account. These can be a bill to address, a ship to address, and you can also add an address just here. Click on the box and go through your autofill options. By the time you watch this video, this option will no longer be on here. We're going to be removing this and adding it to the product page, so you can decide which one of our charities you want to donate to. Save your address, and your new address is going to appear under your address tab. Payment methods. If you want to store payment methods with LogoClothz, then we encourage you to do so. It's perfectly safe to do so. We store credit card numbers off-site in a very secure vault, which is owned and processed by Braintree Payments. So if you wish to add a new payment method to your account, or you don't have one existing, just go through, fill out the usual information for your credit card, billing address, save payment method, and that will be stored for the next time that you make a purchase with us. Moving along next, you can check out the most recently viewed products that you viewed in the store, which makes it easier to jump back if you have a few products that you were looking at. And lastly, we have account settings. In account settings, you can basically go through, change the name, email, company name, phone number, the email address, and the password associated with the account, update your details, and you're good to go. So again, that runs through everything that you can action and take action on from within your account once you started one with LogoClothz. We have another short video showing you how to open an account if that's not something you've done before. Check that out, and we'll go from there. Thanks very much for watching. All the best.